Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews Moose. I have got a serious cool unboxing today. Growing up late 70s, early 80s, there was a ton of movie, albeit low budget, and TV shows about superheroes. Okay. They were great shows. I want to rank them, but there's so many of them. I just know what my all-time favorite is, and I'll get to that. But let's start off, we had let's see here. We had the $6 Million Man that had Lee Majors in it. Great show. And all you remember that noise he made? Like, yeah, that was a great show. That was another one. We had Flash Gordon with Sam Jones. That was the movie. Flash. Yeah, that was so many memories during that time. You had, let's see what else we got. We got The Amazing Spider-Man, which was, I think that was in the tail end of the 70s. Absolutely corny. Very bad acting, but it was childhood. And then you had, I don't know if maybe people remember Bigfoot and Wild Boy. Yeah, where Bigfoot had the supernatural powers where he jumped, and he always had that noise when he jumped. Yeah, I mean, it wasn't on TV long, but that was another one of my memories for hardcore memories. And we had The Incredible Hulk with Bill Bixby, Lou Ferrigno. And that's kind of what this cap is about today. But that was one of my favorites. And obviously, we can't forget about Wonder Woman and Linda Carter, Hubba Hubba. I mean, she was like the first crush, I think, for anybody back in the day with a superhero. And she had a little lasso. Yeah, I mean, she's got to be 80 years old now. But anyway. But my number one favorite superhero show, TV show, was The Greatest American Hero. And, The Greatest American Hero. And you had Ralph Hinckley. Remember him? Yeah. Where he'd always take off, run into walls. And it was great comedy. And that was my number one favorite superhero TV show, movie. Well, I mean, movie was almost Flash Gordon, but TV show back in the day. And I'm just curious, what is everybody else's memory from those days? But Greatest American Hero is that of mine. And speaking of superheroes, I got a Swisher Apparel cap, and I'm going to have to use my superhero strength to get into this bad boy because he uses tape like none other seen before. I mean, it's the best of the best. And, you don't got to worry about, you got to literally try to get into that. And last time I tried using my teeth, and it still wasn't very much success. And so I'm going to try to use my superhero strength. Yeah, that's not going to work. We're going to have to use the pen. Yeah, just the age is catching up. We're going to use the pen, poke the hole, draw a line, and good Lord. Yeah, this is just, there we go. Oh, man, I ripped the box. Cheese and crackers. All right, there we go. But speaking of superheroes, Todd Swisher, Swisher Apparel, released the cap, kind of like the Incredible Hulk, Bill Bixby, Transform, and, but yep. So I got it here, perfectly steamed. This box here is second to none with the tape, and that is the Gamma. This is the Gamma cap. I even get oh wow, look at this. It actually fell in between here. The Gamma cap review me moose. Thanks, Mark. Always appreciate your support. And well, Ace's love affair with the boxes. Let's just go ahead and let him in. You coming in here, bud? Want a box to play in? Yeah. Let me hold on. Let me open it up some more for you so you can get in there. Yeah, Todd sent that for you, buddy, to play with. Good boy. Yeah. There you go, Todd. You can see there, he's already playing with it. Yeah, so, hey, he appreciates the gifts you're giving him. Again, the great note and customer service top notch. But we're going to get back to the Gamma. And there it is. Great looking Hulk colors. Hulk smash. But yeah. And of course, we got the paper that he stuffs the caps with. I actually saved this stuff to store the caps. This stuff here. And I did get a 60 centimeter Swisher Apparel. But how about those colors? How about those colors? And this is the Gamma Gatsby. What did I do with that thing here? Yeah. So it is a Swisher Gamma Gatsby cap, size 60 centimeter. And, but yep, that is it. Ace, you ready to see this review, bud? All right, we're going to go show a close-up and get a little bit more of those colors pop in here. And then I'm going to go try it on. And there is the Gamma Gatsby. Look at that. Look at those colors on that. Yeah, those are pretty. Those are pretty. Another Gatsby cap. Man, I love these Gatsbys. Swisher Apparel does it the right way. As you can see, with a heck of a tape job that I had to fight through. All just to give Ace a gift. Right, bud? Oh, we got out. What do you mean? Oh, nope. You didn't get back in or no? You don't know what you're going to do yet? But yeah. So, again, Todd, thank you. Swisher Apparel, thank you for the cap. Ace, thanks you for the box. Yeah, you do, don't you, bud? Yep. And now we're going to go try this bad boy on. All right, so we got the Gamma. Ace has got the box. And, man, high-quality caps here. And like I said, I've been doing a lot of reviews of a lot of posts that I've been putting on there to other. Oh, how you guys like my Easter shirt too, for reviews of Moose shirt? Yep, got this in the other day. But yeah, get sidetracked. And then I had somebody else get sidetracked. Yeah, I get sidetracked quite pretty easy, and I forget about what I'm doing. But I always jump back to it, and I totally forgot what I was about to say now. But yeah, the Gamma cap, and we are going to try it on. Yep, another beaut. Another beaut. I already feel stronger. And yeah. Oh, and also, I'm curious. Out of all the Incredible Hulk actors, who was your favorite? Obviously, Bill Bixby. He just formed into Lou Ferrigno. We had what was it, Ed Norton? What was his name? Ed Norton Jr. I think his name was. And then we had that Mark Ed Norton Jr. I think his name is. Yep, Ed Norton. Ed Norton is his name. Ed Norton Jr. is, I think, a football player. But anyway, yeah, he. I thought the Ed Norton Incredible Hulk movie was great. I didn't really care about the Mark Ruffalo one, and I just think they could have kept with Ed Norton there for a while, but they took that 10-year break, 15-year break before they released another one. But I thought Ed Norton did a really good job. I really enjoyed that one. I mean, obviously I'm partial to the Bill Bixby, Lou Ferrigno version, but yeah, that is it there. This is the Gamma Hulk Smash. How about those colors? Yep. I'll tell you, these Gatsby caps, if you don't got a Gatsby cap, you're missing out. You are missing out. Yep. But this is it here. I'm really excited. Thank you, Todd, for another amazing cap. Swisher Apparel, you did another job. Great job. And we're going to put this in the storage for a little bit. And then I got to find something that matches. I think I actually got a Dixon flannel that matches pretty good. All right, Reviews of Moose here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to put in your in the comments what your favorite superhero movie or superhero TV show of all time were. And I look forward to reading those comments. And also, what was your favorite Incredible Hulk actor? Ace, you ready to say goodbye, bud? Yeah? All right, Ace says bye. Reviews of Moose says bye, and I'll see you guys next time.